Yung bahay and kinti.
Gọc
So if you come to Cambodia, you gotta eat all these flowers. We call this
Ca pháo đúng ca nào?
ca cà pháo, ca snow.
Nó bọc pi.
It's called tak krương. So if you come to Cambodia, you gotta have tak krương. Okay, tak krương. So you dip it. She make it really good. My sister-in-law and her sister make it. So I dip the flour. In here I call flour, but this ca cầm flour. So this one, the krương, she made lots, and her tastes so good. And look at the color. The krương. Yeah, they're my brother. Yeah. My brother and his wife. Ăn chom nữa sao? Chom. I just came from my dad's farm, and then so now we're here, and we're gonna stay here one night. So this one will be the krương.
Cắp phèn này.
Bắt miền đang bị cái đau lá không chân như vậy ngồi đó hết bị cái đau lá.
Con tại sao anh không kẹp miếng này nữa sao? My mama said, don't forget to show this one. This one is trai nghiệt.
Trai nghiệt.
Trai nghiệt. This one just dry fish. It's Cambodian famous dry fish. They also made this one is called some lom chu krương. I know some lom chu krương. I need some lom chu krương, no? Some lom chu krương uko. So it have organs. Organs, is that right? Organs? Yeah, organs. Organs. Some lom chu krương khnong. I haven't tried this flower yet. This one. This other flower. Trồng white spoon.
Tao bay bột đó tao.
Oh, nó cái bột trắng ở bột. Oh, bé như nhắm từng ống ấy à? Oh, you're not supposed. You only supposed to eat the flower. Oh,
Không đi sắp đó, đi mà nó biển sắp.
because the stem
Vì bàn mình
is hard.
though.